Hello everyone, welcome back to College Dunia's YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about GATE Application Form Correction 2024, the rectification link procedure and correction type. Candidates can make modifications to their name, DOB, gender, category, address, paper and exam city, etc. as a one-time only option. It is to be remembered that if a candidate is unable to rectify the errors in his or her application communicated by GATE 2024 authorities within the stipulated time frame, their form would be rejected. In case a candidate's application status is under scrutiny, the candidates are advised to keep a check on a GeoAPS portal for further updates. Let's check what are the details that can be corrected in GATE application form correction. Details like communication address, graduation detail, date of birth, gender and category. One needs to upload a clear and acceptable image of the photograph and signature if they have not uploaded the high quality images. The correct document defining the category status. The rectification of selection of the wrong status of qualifying examination along with its correct document can be submitted. Let's check what are the details that cannot be corrected. The email ID mentioned by the candidate, contact number is given by the candidate, paper for attending GATE 2024. As the above mentioned details cannot be edited. In case a mistake is made, you have to apply again for GATE 2024 with a new email ID and phone number. It must be noted that the previous application fee shall not be refunded. Let's check the GATE 2024 application scrutiny and rectification. The application form submitted for GATE 2024 will be checked by the authorities to verify the accuracy of the data. The authorities will check the uploaded documents, check the clarity of the photograph and signature. If every document and details provided by the candidates are found to be in order, then the application will be accepted. In case any defect is found in the application form, then the same will be marked and intimated to the respective candidate for correction through email and SMS, which the candidate has provided while filling the application form. The correction needs to be done within the time period provided by authorities. Failing to do so on time can lead to the rejection of the application. The status of the candidate's application can be checked anytime by logging into GeoAPS. Let's check the types of corrections in GATE Application Form Correction 2024. In gender, male to female, the status can be changed but fees will not be refunded. Female to male, candidate will be required to pay the difference amount. In category SC, ST to journal or OBC, candidate will have to pay the difference amount. In journal, OBC to SC or ST, candidate will be able to change the status but there will be no fee refund. In PWD status, no to yes, candidate will be able to change their status but will not get the fee refund. Scribe status to be captured. Yes to no with fee as applicable. Dyslexia and other similar learning disabilities, candidate can change the status but with a valid. In dyslexia and other similar learning disabilities, no to yes, candidates can correct the status but with a valid proof. Yes to no, candidate can correct the status. Details of parents or guardian or correspondence address. It will be changed according to the document submitted in the application, the college name and location, roll number, registration number. It will be changed according to the document submitted in the application. In exam city change request with India, exam city change request outside India. Addis Ababa, Colombo, Dhaka and Kathmandu for exam city change request outside India, Dubai and Singapore. The candidates outside India, the fee is waived for the GATE examination city in India, exam city request outside India, exam city request from Addis Ababa, Colombo, Dhaka and Kathmandu to Dubai or Singapore. Let's check the GATE 2024 application form correction fees. 5 INR 500 for changing the name, INR 500 for changing in date of birth, INR 500 for changing in choice of examination cities, INR 500 for change of existing paper, Rupees 500 plus application fee for the additional paper, Rupees 500 plus 900, which is 1400 for all other candidate if you are changing of gender from female to any other gender. Rupees 500 change of category to SC or ST. Rupees 500 for female candidate or PWD candidate changing of category from SC or ST to any other. Rupees 500 plus Rupees 900 which is 1400 for all other candidates. Rupees 500 for female candidate or PWD candidate, rupees 1400 for all other candidate when you are changing from PWD or dyslexic to non-PWD dyslexic. Rupees 500 for any other changing category. Rupees 500 for changing in details of parents, guardian, correspondence, address. Rupees 500 in change of college name, location, roll number, registration number. Let's check the how to make changes in GATE application form correction 2024. Details about the defects will be available at gate2024.iisp.ac.in. Any one of the following messages will be displayed on the user's window for GATE 2023 login. Received, the application form is successfully submitted. Under scrutiny, GATE application is under check. Accepted, no correction required, form is accepted. In defect status, marked defect to be rectified in the application form. Status after rectification, the status of the form after making changes. The rejected with valid reason, the application form which is not rectified within the stipulated time frame. Let's check what are the process of to making correction in GATE 2024 application form. First, you need to log in at GOAPS website. Enter the enrollment ID or email address, password and CAPTCHA. Click on edit GATE application form and make the changes. After rectifying the required information, verify it before saving the application form and subsequently save and view the application. Submit the form and proceed to payment after verifying all the changes. Download GATE corrected application form for future reference. To know more details, you can visit our website and also leave a comment if you have any specific questions. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel.